What's up, mechanics? Today we're doing a vegan eggnog review, challenge, taste test, whatever you want to call it. So I got 5 of the brands that I've seen in the stores. I went to about a few different stores. Some of these I got at Roots Market in Clarksville, Maryland. This one I got at the Wise out in Glen Burnie, Maryland. And I think the rest of them I just picked up at Roots. This one was at like I said, this one was at Wise. But anyway, today we're gonna see if these eggnogs pass the drunk uncle test. You know, see if your drunk uncle would not mind drinking on it. So all these are dairy free, and we're gonna go through each and every one, and I'll give you my honest opinion on which one's best, which one I probably won't like, and we shall see who comes out the victor. I don't know, like, what do you think? Who do you think? I don't freaking know. So anyway, I'll start with Good Karma. Let's see, it's dairy free, holiday nog. It's plant-based, of course. Let's see. This says filtered water and flax oil. So I guess this is like a flaxseed style. Let's see what it's going for. It says smooth and creamy. Smooth and creamy, just like me. Oh, there we go. Let's see what that's like. Oh, this looks a little thin than what I'm used to. It almost looks just like a regular milk. Let's go with the smell. Ooh, it smells like eggnog. Okay, the Good Karma's alright. The only thing that it kind of lacks, I feel like it should have a little bit more cinnamon flavor to it, and also it should just be a little thicker, just a little bit thicker. But on the good note, this is free of nuts, soy, and gluten. So this is it's probably gonna be a good choice for anyone that has any of those allergies. But as far as for me, as of right now, this is not my first choice. Next, I'm gonna try the Silk Nog. Let's see what the Silk Nog tastes like. This one is from soybeans or soy milk. Smells pretty good. Oh, that's thin as well. That thing is pretty thin. Look at that joker. The color is a lot better. Oh. Oh.
What is that?
Okay. The initial taste of this one was pretty good. The soy, the silk joint, but then it had like this weird aftertaste. So this one is soy milk, and look like that's about the only allergen in here is soy milk. Of course, it's dairy free. Let's see, gluten free, also cholesterol free. That's all good things to have. So I'm not sure if either of these two will pass the drunk uncle test just quite yet. I mean, you could probably get it and add some stuff to it, but let's see about the other ones. Next, I got the So Delicious. This is coconut. Let's see what else is in there. It just says made from coconuts. Let's give it a whirl. Smells pretty good. This one's also a little thin. Okay, so far I'm gonna say this one is gonna be one of the better ones between these three. All of them taste good, don't get me wrong, but so far the So Delicious is so delicious. I mean, how else can you say it? The So Delicious is so delicious. So, how do you say this? Calafia? Baby, How do you say Califia? Califia.
Don't put me on the video saying it wrong.
So is it like Mia Khalifa? Maybe. You don't know who Mia Khalifa is. So we're gonna get us a shot. It's made from almonds, soy free. Another big word, free, whatever that means. Begins with a C. This one looks a little thin too. Am I supposed to be shaking this, guys? Let's see. No, I don't say anything about shaking. Alright, so, oh shoot, it does. It says shake well. That's probably why they don't taste that good. Does it say shake well? Khalifa. Mia Khalifa. Yeah. Oh, why did I pour so much in there? Bay says Califia. Thank you. Guys, I know I don't do this often. Mia Khalifa, you need to go back to the drawing board on this one. It's okay, but it's really thin, and it's like, it tastes like I just like drank some nutmeg. Like it was just, it's not bad, but not a first choice, not by far. But I'm gonna finish it because I made a mistake and poured way too much. Last but not least, the Almond Breeze. Smells delicious. So, I think we have a winner. Hopefully you guys aren't allergic to almonds, because this is actually pretty good. If you are allergic to almonds, I am sorry. But this one is pretty thick. It tastes good. It's not overpowering. If I'm going to get any type of eggnog, I would definitely get this one. Throw in a little rum. You know, I don't really drink, but you know, if I did, that's what I would do. Because if I try to drink now, I get drunk way too fast. Like, I don't know. It's something about being vegan now, I guess, maybe. My wife would probably say otherwise, but you know how that goes. But yeah, give the Almond Breeze a shot. If you can't find this, go with this so delicious, because it's so delicious. Can't find that, go with this. Can't find that, go with this. Nah. So, anyhow, let's go ahead and wrap this thing up. First off, I wanted to let you guys know that I love you guys. I'm glad to be able to see you guys here again. Well, not see, but you know, be able to upload another video. I hope you guys are ready for the holidays. As you see, you know, I'm ready. I'm here hanging, banging, slanging. Nah, I'm just working, being the best guy that I can be. So, anyhow, Almond Breeze, almond eggnog, almond milk eggnog, sorry, by Blue Diamond, is a clear-cut winner. This one says classic on it, so make sure you get the classic. I'm not sure if it makes a difference or not, but yeah, that's about it. We're gonna wrap this thing up. Egrass on that. See you on the next video. Hopefully you come in. I'll try to do 2 videos this week. So look on Thursday. I should have another video about it. Peace.